So today, guys, we're going to be opening Pokemon Trade Card Game, and it's 6 and up, and it came on July 1st, 2022. So, let's get to opening it. Now we got this fish.
What did you get? Oh, you gotta hold it up over here.
Little fishy.
Magikarp.
Floppy fish.
Meltan.
Milton. Then we got Eevee.
You can just hold them right there in front.
Oh, then we got Eevee.
Eevee.
Then we got Pikachu.
Oh, you're gonna have two Pikachus. I see another one hiding behind there. Look at it.
And then we got
You can hold them just over here, sweetie.
Then we got Squirtle.
Yep.
Then we got another medal.
Meltan, another one. But he's foil.
And then we got
A foil Pikachu.
And then we got a rare candy. Then we got
Lunatone. We have that in our deck.
We do?
Yep. That's in the
Then
Mewtwo
we
deck that you got. Candela.
Candela. And then we got an energy.
Nice.
So these are all the cards. If you didn't get a close look, we'll do it again. We got him.
Okay.
We got energy. Got him. And he does draw 2 cards. If draw any cards in this way, flip a coin. If heads, attack a energy card from your discard pile to
one of your bench Pokemon.
One of your bench Pokemon. Then we got this. Discard a card from your hand, and if you do, draw 3 cards. This attack does 30 more damage for each energy attached to this Pokemon.
You can keep pumping him full of energy.
Choose one of your basic Pokemons. In play, you have 2 card in your hand that evolves from that Pokemon. Put that card into your basic Pokemon. To evolve, it's skipping the stage. 1, you can use this card during your first turn, or
you can't use this card during your first turn.
Oh. Or on a basic Pokemon that was put into play this turn. Then we got Pikachu. This does 30 damage to itself. Look how cute he is. Then we got Metal. Flip a coin. If heads, your opponent's adventure Pokemon is new Fertilizer. Is that Fertilizer?
Paralyzed.
Squirtle does Water Gun. Another Pikachu. If you played a supporter card from your hand during this turn, this attack does 30 more damage. And then Eevee does choose a random card from your opponent's hand. Your opponent reveals that card and shuffles it into their deck. This one will be good. This one does flip a coin. If heads, your opponent's we already did that one. Then this one says search your deck for any number of what's his name? Magikarp. Reveal them and put them into your hand, then shuffle your deck. This attack does 30 damage for each Magikarp and
Gyarados?
Gyarados.
I don't know.
Here, if you can read that,
yeah.
It's like that card right, it's like that word right there. Probably can't because it's broken.
Probably not.
In your deck. I can't read that.
Cool.
Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like, and then comment which card is your favorite. And have a good day. Bye.